Hello guys, welcome to Himalayan Chronicles. Today we are going on a long journey to Mannavanur Lake and also we'll do a sheep farming and rabbit farming. We will show them in detail. So 40 kilometers from Kodaikanal we have taken a cab for 2500 rupees roughly. Depends on the cab model, the pricing will differ. I will show you the cab details and everything. So the journey has started. We have started the journey at around 8 a.m. in the morning after a quick breakfast at Poppy's. And roughly today we will be traveling about 40 kilometers total distance. As you can see, a lot of pine forest welcomes everyone. There's a beautiful Ghat road over here. As you can see, the turnings are very steep. So on the way, we also get a beautiful village scenic Pumbarai. Pumbarai is a village which is on top of a hill. And from the top of a hill, you can see the entire village with beautiful paddy and rice farming and so on. So stay tuned. You will see a beautiful Pumbarai village. Very scenic village in India, as you can see here, about to start en route. So on the way to the lake, you will first see the Pumbarai village. As you can see, small houses, beautiful view. Time lapse is being visible over here. Just amazing vistas in the morning, guys. Just amazing, isn't it? As you can see, lot of paddy and other vegetables are also farming over here. Beautiful village view, guys. Amazing. After this, we'll go to the sheep farming, rabbit farming as well, where you will also see beautiful rabbit breeding and sheep breeding. Entry is roughly about 20 rupees per person. You can spend at least 2 to 3 hours in this place coming ahead. See the full video, guys. So we have reached the sheep and rabbit breeding. Approximately 20 rupees per person. Let's enjoy. Hi Anita, hello. Nice view. Chalo. Malar Hotel. Chalo. Hi Anita, we are in the sheep farm. We are on the way to rabbit and sheep farm. Yeah Anita? Wow, looking lovely. So we have started climbing the meadows. As you can see, many people have come here enjoying their time with their loved ones at the lake view, and also sheep farming. Horse riding is also available for kids who want to enjoy a quick horse ride. As you can see here, it's a beautiful meadow between the valleys. Lot of clouds. Today rainfall is also happening a little bit. As we move along, we can see the first glimpses of the beautiful Mannavanur lake. Amazing lake, guys. See the beauty of it. You can also see distant sheep grazing is also happening just beside the lake. Many people have come here enjoying their time. Beautiful weather, no sunshine. No sunlight, no beautiful climate today. Little bit of drizzling rain adds a romantic touch to the overall vibes of this beautiful place. Amazing, isn't it? The whole lake is able to visible from this particular point. Many people come here, take selfies, with their loved ones, of course. Beautiful place, guys. Don't miss it. Come to Kodaikanal and see this lake. Enjoy the sheep farming and also the beautiful rabbit farming as well. Temperature changes dramatically as well because right now temperature is only 12-15 degrees Celsius and amazing, guys, as we move along this meadow. Meadow is nothing but a flat plain between valleys. Once we pay the ticket, then you enter the meadow, and distant you can see lot of sheep grazing, and also they have a rabbit breeding center. We are going to witness that as well. But let's enjoy this meadow view. Many people come as picnic as well. They come with with full family and enjoy their time. Amazing guys, literally amazing. Having a best of my time in Kodaikanal. So by the way, the lake is open 365 days a year. One of the beautiful lake, and with round boats are also available to do some quick boating as well when you go to the lake in the next part. So now we are going to show you a beautiful nature gift guys. Amazing, these places are amazing guys. The Pombarai village, the lake, all these are Mannavanur lake. It is called as Mannavanur lake. Amazing guys. And it's worth visiting, I would say. Must to visit. Without a trip to Kodaikanal is incomplete without a visit to the magnificent Mannavanur lake. There's a village called as Pombarai, about 35 kilometers from the town, nested deep inside the forest, hidden. Hiking trail to Mannavanur lake is also available. You can do a quick trail as well. And I would say serene surroundings are ideal picnic spot for families and celebrations. Amazing guys, just amazing. So while on a scenic drive along the village road of Pombarai, you will be seeing a piece of blue sky literally fallen down on the slopes of the Kodaikanal. The pristine crystal blue waters of Mannavanur lake and its serene surroundings are ideal picnic spot for families and holiday makers. Literally guys, mighty peaks of the Nilgiris on all sides. Amazing, I would say. Come here, get yourself winded and embark on a rejuvenating journey into a wilderness where you can appreciate nature's raw beauty. Literally amazing. By the way, at the end of the trail of the beautiful lake of Mannavanur is a freshwater lake, perfect in the lap of the rolling hills of the Nilgiris. Make a picturesque view for the trekkers to set a picnic, enjoy their time out in nature. And also the shores of the lake are home to a wide variety of fish and birds guys. Just see the beauty of it. Hi Anita, hello. Welcome to the lake view. Hi guys, welcome to Mannavanur Chronicles. Beautiful Mannavanur lake. Amazing lake guys. Sheep farming is also happening at the distance. Sheep farming. Let me show you the sheep farming also. ये कहाँ आ गए हैं? जन्नत जैसे लग रहा है. Anita, जन्नत जैसे लग रहा है? कैसे लग रहा है आपको? जन्नत जैसे लग रहा है. Beautiful place guys. थोड़ा दूर है, 40 kilometers, but amazing place guys. Mannavanur lake, just amazing. Beautiful guys, just beautiful, isn't it? हाय अनिता, हेलो. कैसा लगा?
बढ़िया. लेकिन बहुत दूर है.
Sheeps, lot of sheep farming is happening, guys. Suddenly rain आया थोड़ा.
Rabbit नहीं दिखा.
Rabbits नहीं, उधर देखेंगे. Rabbits होगा उधर. ढूंढेंगे. मजा आ गई.
अच्छा.
Nice.
बारिश भी हो रही है.
हल्का. ड्रिजलिंग हो रही है, बट नाइस प्लेस, ओवरऑल वेरी नाइस प्लेस. Hello guys, welcome to Mannavanur Chronicles. We have come to Mannavanur Lake. Little bit drizzling, but we are enjoying every minute of it, guys. Today, as you can see, let me show you, the sheep are grazing here. Lot of sheep, guys. A lot of sheep are grazing. This is called as sheep rabbit view. Where are you right now? Mannavanur Lake. So guys, very beautiful lake, Mannavanur Lake, about 40 kilometers from Kodaikanal. The tour package is called as a village tour, which includes 3000 years old Murugan temple as well as beautiful other places as well. Today morning we have seen beautiful places. Now we have come to Mannavanur Lake, and then we'll go to boating also. Very nice place, guys. Very nice place. Let me show the sheep are also grazing over here. Beautiful sheep. Wow. Amazing. है तो आपको कैसा लगा? बहुत बढ़िया है. Wonderful. Beautiful. पानी पी रहे, सारे sheep पानी पी रहे भाई. Wow. Mountain lake, guys. High altitude mountain lake. Hello guys.
Hello.
See the beautiful. The parallel. Huh? देखो, Mannavanur Lake, about 40 kilometers from Kodaikanal. Sheep farming is also happening, guys. Amazing sheep farming. After seeing the aerial view of the lake, now we are going to the sheep farming as well as rabbit breeding. Let us explore the beautiful rabbits as well as the sheep grazing. You can see a lot of beautiful sheep grazing over here on the meadows. Sheep farming, guys. Wow, so many sheep. Amazing sheep farming at Kodaikanal. Mannavanur Lake, now on the way to Mannavanur Lake. So many sheep. खा रहे, पी रहे, एंजॉय करें. अभी रैबिट भी देख के आए हम. हाय. रैबिट. पता है, बाहर भी है. रैबिट शेड. वाव खरगोश. Beautiful rabbit breeding center. Lot of rabbit babies are also there here. We cannot feed rabbits, but it beautiful breeding center maintained by the government of India over here. As you can see, beautiful rabbits of different kinds of species, small babies. Wow, how much cute it is. So I would say come with your kids, they'll enjoy. Literally you can spend 2 to 3 hours at the lake and as a sheep farming, grazing and rabbit breeding. Thanks for watching this beautiful channel Himalayan Chronicles, where your lovely couple shows you across the world. So we have come back to the hotel. Next part would be the Kodai boating and also the lake boating as well. Stay tuned guys.